Perchance AI 2026 Exposed. The truth about this free AI generator for creators. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about Perchance AI, one of the most popular free AI generators for creators right now. But is it actually as free as it claims to be, and what is the real truth behind the platform in 2026? Let me give you the completely honest breakdown. Let's get into it. What is Perchance AI for anyone who has not heard of it? Perchance AI is a free online platform that lets creators generate AI images, text, and other content through a browser-based interface with no account required and no upfront cost. It has blown up in popularity, especially among creators who cannot afford or do not want to pay for premium AI tools. On the surface, it sounds almost too good to be true, and that is exactly what we are going to dig into today. The good stuff first. Let's be fair and start with what Perchance AI genuinely does well. It is completely free to use with no subscription, no credit card, and no account needed for basic use. The image generation quality is surprisingly capable for a free tool, and the interface is simple enough for complete beginners. For creators on a tight budget who just need quick AI-generated visuals, it genuinely delivers without asking for anything up front. The truth about the free model here is where things get more nuanced. While Perchance AI is free to access, the platform operates on a generation queue system. Free users often experience slower generation speeds and wait times, especially during peak hours when the servers are busy. The more popular the platform gets, the longer those wait times can become for users who are not paying anything. The content limitations. Something creators need to know is that Perchance AI has content filters in place that restrict certain types of image generation. These filters can sometimes feel inconsistent, and creators working on specific styles or themes may find their generations getting blocked or modified unexpectedly. Understanding these limitations up front saves a lot of frustration down the line. Data and privacy considerations. Here is something most users never think about. Like most free AI platforms, Perchance AI sustains its free model partly through how it handles user data and generated content. When you generate content on a free platform, you should always read the terms of service carefully to understand who owns what you create and how your usage data is being handled. For casual personal use, this is usually not a concern, but for professional creators using it for commercial projects, it is worth understanding clearly. Is it truly free forever? The honest answer is probably not entirely. Free AI platforms face real infrastructure costs, and Perchance AI is no exception. The platform has been gradually introducing optional paid tiers and faster generation options for users who want premium speed and priority access. The core free tier remains available, but expecting unlimited high-speed generation at zero cost forever is not realistic as the platform continues to grow. Verdict: here is the bottom line. Perchance AI is genuinely one of the best free AI generator options available for creators in 2026. The free tier is real, functional, and useful. The trade-offs are slower speeds at peak times, content filter inconsistencies, and the gradual introduction of paid features. For casual creators and beginners, it is an excellent starting point. For professional commercial work, you will eventually want to understand the terms and consider whether a dedicated paid platform better suits your needs. And that is the honest truth about Perchance AI in 2026. Great free tool with real limitations that are worth knowing before you build your entire creative workflow around it. If this video gave you a clearer picture, please like and subscribe for more honest AI tool breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.